Yeah. Oh.
What color are you hoping to get?
I think blue.
The golden one?
Golden.
I heard there's rainbow sparkly ones.
Oh, give me that one. I think
Rainbow?
blue and rainbow.
Let's see.
Actually, I don't want rainbow. Not good. I'm hoping for the golden.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Nice.
I got a red one.
I got a purple one.
Supposed to.
Wait, is there purple ones in here?
Yeah.
It feels good.
It has a little face on it. Let me see his face. Oh, he's a happy little dumpling.
Someone has that one.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye.